All right, thank you for the requests. I'll go ahead and start with your first one, which is going to be ICX. This looks like a crypto. I've actually never heard about this project before, but what I want to talk about here real quick is the EMAs. We've been talking a lot about these lately. We use a 50 EMA, a 100 EMA, and a 200 EMA. Okay, so anytime we are down below the EMAs, we are in a bear market. Okay, this is not the time we want to be buying assets, is when we are getting rejected off of these EMAs, right? We want to buy things when they break up above it, right? You get the pull back into them and then you rip. If you come over here to our cheat sheet, okay, you could see the mean is right down here. Okay, we don't necessarily want to buy down here below. What we want to wait for is breaking out over the mean, over the averages, because again, anytime you look at a chart and you see that we are down below, you can see it got rejected right there, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected. And then right now, you're breaking out. Okay, you got the breakout over it and the pull back into it. So you could see over here on this chart, right, you got the takeoff phase over it, the pull back into it. That's called the first sell-off. Boom, everyone thinks we're going down and we're ripping. Okay, you've seen this across the board with a ton of cryptocurrencies over the last couple of weeks, and there's a lot of good setups. So again, I don't know anything about this project, so know your fundamentals, but as long as this one holds on to that low right there at around 0.093, that one looks really good. Let's take a look at your second one here. Your second one was going to be, this is INJ. I believe this one's built on the Atom network or the near protocol. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know. I can't keep up with all these projects, but same thing, right? When we're down below the EMAs, we're getting rejected. We're getting rejected. We're getting rejected. We're getting rejected. Rejected, rejected, rejected. What'd you have right here? That was right there in May. That was May 6th. You had it kind of broke out over it here. It pulled back into it, and now it's ripping. So I really like INJ here. Above that level right there at $8.80. You could see a little topping right here, but guys, I think I think crypto is about to absolutely explode. And then your next one here is going to be Chainlink. Okay, Chainlink here, same thing. When we're up above the EMAs, okay, we're in a bull market. Let's go back and look at the last bull market back here in like 2021. Again, this is a bull market. Okay, we're up above the EMAs. What happened here? We broke out. We pulled back. We ripped, okay? Pull back, green dot, rip, okay? The green dots only matter on the daily chart if we're above the EMAs, okay? We want to buy things that are trending up, okay? We don't necessarily want to buy things that are trending. We don't want to buy things that are trending down, right? As investors, we want to buy things that are trending in an upward direction. How do we know we're in an upward direction? We simply watch for the breakout over the EMA. Okay, you got the breakout, you got the pullback, you got the ripski. So let's take a look at Chainlink here. And again, we broke out right here after a long downtrend, lost it, got rejected, got rejected, got rejected, broke out over it, pulled back into it, got the green dot, and now we're about ready to fly. I'm thinking Chainlink's probably going to hit $30 again. My guess is by the end of June. I mean, this is just a very, very bullish looking pattern here above $16. This thing looks like it's going to absolutely explode. We called the weekly dot out on this back here that was April 21st. See, that came right there at around $12, $13. And this thing's just getting ready to go to the sky. I'm expecting another move like this here. Again, my prediction for the top of crypto is going to be anywhere from August to September. It could even run all the way into the end of the year. But, right, you want to set your targets. You want to set your profit targets, and that's where you're going to want to sell. I think right now a great strategy for crypto is just to hold on for a couple months and reassess when we're there. But this was a beautiful textbook breakout, pullback, buy signal, ripski. And this thing looks very, very strong over 16. It's bullish, honestly, as long as we hold the EMAs. So as long as we hold 14, Chainlink is very, very bullish, and it's setting up really big here for a move above 16. If we hold 16, okay, and break out over 18 tomorrow, you're going to see this thing go to the absolute sky. Okay, you're going to see one of these. Whoop!